This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Apply the parking brake and block the wheels. If the vehicle has just been driven, wait several hours to allow the engine to cool down before beginning this procedure. Pull the hood release latch located under the steering wheel. Release the hood safety latch and raise the hood. Once the engine is completely cool, remove the expansion tank cap. Move a large container under the radiator drain fitting to catch the coolant. If the drain fitting is stuck, a pair of pliers may be required to turn it. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses. Close and tighten the radiator drain fitting. Place the heater temperature control and the blower motor speed control to their maximum setting. Slowly add the correct type of new coolant, which consists of a 50-50 mixture of water and antifreeze, to the expansion tank until it reaches the full hot mark. Leave the expansion tank cap off and run the engine in a well-ventilated area until the thermostat opens. Coolant will begin flowing through the radiator and the upper radiator hose will become hot. Turn the engine off and let it cool completely. Add more coolant mixture to bring the level back up to the full hot mark on the expansion tank. Squeeze the upper radiator hose to expel air, then add more coolant mixture if necessary. Install the expansion tank cap. Start the engine, allow it to reach the normal operating temperature, and check for leaks.